Liquid Web Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where I'll be reviewing the Liquid Web Affiliate Program and sharing my personal experience with it. If you're interested in signing up or learning more about Liquid Web, I've included links to their products in the description below. Liquid Web is known for offering high-performance managed hosting solutions, focusing on dedicated servers, VPS hosting, cloud hosting, and WooCommerce hosting. It's a platform designed for businesses that require enterprise-level hosting and performance, such as web developers, agencies, and e-commerce stores. Liquid Web's hosting is reliable, fast, and fully supported by a team of experts, making it an excellent option for those who demand the best for their websites or client projects. Now, let's dive into the Liquid Web Affiliate Program. This program is perfect for affiliates who cater to clients in need of premium hosting solutions. Liquid Web offers generous commissions with up to $1,500 per sale, depending on the hosting plan purchased by your referrals. This makes it one of the more lucrative affiliate programs in the hosting industry. As an affiliate, you'll receive access to an easy-to-navigate affiliate dashboard where you can track clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. Liquid Web offers professional promotional tools, including banners, links, and email templates, all designed to make promoting their services easy and effective. The marketing resources are tailored to help you target their audience, and the program supports affiliates through training and support to help you optimize your efforts. One of the standout features of Liquid Web's affiliate program is the high conversion rates, which are driven by the platform's premium reputation and performance. Since Liquid Web offers such powerful hosting, customers are more likely to make a purchase once they're introduced to the service. Additionally, their 24/7 customer support is there to ensure your referrals get the assistance they need, which helps build trust in your recommendations. The affiliate program also offers recurring commissions, so once your referral signs up, you continue to earn from their ongoing subscription. This makes it even more appealing for long-term earnings. To sum it up, the Liquid Web Affiliate Program is an excellent opportunity for anyone in the web hosting or development space. With high commissions, excellent customer support, and a top-tier product offering, it's a program worth considering. If you're interested, be sure to check the description for more details and links to get started. Thanks for watching.